All right, let's go ahead and look at density. It says different metals have different densities. The density of gold is 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. The density of copper is 8.86 grams per cubic centimeter. And the density of bronze is 9.87 grams per cubic centimeter. Your bracelet is 106 grams and has a volume of 12 cubic centimeters. What metal is your bracelet made out of? All right, so when we look at this problem, the first thing we want to do is understand, well, what is density? All right, so we break it down to density equals to the mass of an object divided by the volume of that object, okay? And essentially what we're doing is we're finding out how much material fits into a given amount of space, and that will give us our density. Well, in this problem, it's asking us to calculate the density of our bracelet so that we can compare it to these other metals that are out there. So that's what we are going to do. It says your bracelet is 106 grams. This is going to be our mass. Okay, that is going to be our mass. And then it gives us our volume, which is 12 cubic centimeters. So our mass is going to be 106 grams over our volume, which is going to be 12 cubic centimeters. And what we can do is we can go ahead and make that calculation. And we say, well, okay, let's take 106 and let's divide it by 12. And that will bring us to 8.83. So that will bring us to 8.83 grams per cubic centimeter. Now we can make a decision at this point, which metal is it? All right, so let's go ahead and go back to what we've read. It says the density of gold is 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. So it can definitely not be gold because we are looking for 8.83. The next one says is the copper is 8.86 grams per cubic centimeter. Notice that maybe that is a little bit off, but it's pretty daggone close. So let's compare it to bronze. Bronze is 9.87 grams per cubic centimeters. So what we know now is it cannot be gold. It cannot be bronze because it's nowhere near bronze. It's a full density unit of 1 gram per cubic centimeter away. And then it is really close to copper at 8.86. It's off just a little bit. So more than likely your bracelet is made out of copper. All right, hope that helps you out with making some calculations, basic calculations with density.